accounting process or accounting cycle. It starts with the financial transactions, that is, identifying financial nature transactions and measuring them in terms of money. After this, the recording of transaction is done. In journal and subsidiary books like cash book, purchase book, sales book, purchase return book, sales return book, bills receivable book, bills payable book, and journal proper. The next step is classification of transactions. This is done by preparing the ledger. After the ledger is prepared, the trial balance is made. In the trial balance, all the ledger accounts are balanced and the final balances are shown. It is a list of all the balances of ledger accounts. Then comes the financial statements. Once the trial balance is ready, the next step is to prepare the financial statements, that is the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet. Here, all those heads of accounts that appear in the trial balance are adjusted to the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet as per the prescribed formats. After financial statements are ready, they are analyzed and interpreted. This analysis and interpretation is done by experts, by specialists. And once the analysis and the final data has been interpreted, they are communicated to the end users, the persons who are interested in knowing the accounting information regarding the business organization. Now the next topic, bookkeeping, accounting and accountancy. Generally, these three things are taken to be the same, but in actual they are different. Bookkeeping is the process of accounting. Bookkeeping is the basic function. सबसे पहले bookkeeping. It is concerned with recording and maintenance of books of accounts only. Means how the transactions, whatever transactions occurred, those transactions will be identified as per the nature into financial and non-financial transaction, and all the financial transactions will be measured in terms of money, and then they will be recorded in journal and other subsidiary books. The following functions are conducted in the process of bookkeeping: identifying of financial transactions, measuring these transactions in terms of money, and recording these transactions in original books of entry, and classification of the transactions in the ledger accounts. Then the second thing, that is accounting. Accounting is the secondary function which starts where bookkeeping ends. Here the following activities are performed. That is summarization of the classified transactions in shape of final accounts. First the trial balance will be prepared, and then the trading and profit and loss account and the balance sheet will be prepared. Then analysis and interpretation of the results. Whatever results are to be have been ascertained, they are analyzed and the final conditions are interpreted and conclusions are derived out of it. And then the thing that has been determined, ascertained, will be communicated to all those persons who are directly or indirectly related to the business. Then the third thing, that is accountancy. Accountancy is a study of systematic knowledge. It is a systematic knowledge and contains those rules, regulations, procedures, principles, concepts, conventions, and techniques which are to be applied in the process of accounting. It guides the concerned people in preparation of books of accounts, summarization of information, analysis and the information, interpreting it and communicating to the users of it. Means accountancy is the knowledge which helps in performing the functions of bookkeeping and accounting. Now the difference between bookkeeping and accounting. The basis of difference, number one, is the scope. Bookkeeping covers only identification of financial transaction, measurement of the financial transaction in terms of money, recording of the transactions in the books of accounts, and classifying the transactions, that is preparation of the ledger or posting in ledger. On the other hand, accounting includes the summarization of the classified transactions by preparing final accounts, analysis and interpretation of financial statements, and communicating them to the users. Number two is stage. Bookkeeping is a primary stage function and accounting is the secondary stage function. And third is nature of job. The job in bookkeeping is of routine nature and clerical. In case of accounting, the job is analytical in nature and experts perform it. Objective of bookkeeping is to keep and maintain systematic records of financial transactions, and the objective of accounting is to ascertain the profitability and financial soundness of business and to communicate it to the users. Fifth is performance. Junior staff performs the bookkeeping function. Senior staff performs the accounting function. Level of skill. The work is mechanical in nature, so it requires normal skills. In case of accounting, specialized skills and ability to analyze and interpret the financial statements are required. Then analytical skills. In bookkeeping, no such skills are required. In accounting, such skills are required. Now the difference between accountancy and accounting. Number one, accountancy refers to the entire body of theory and practice of accounting, whereas accounting deals with the practical part of accountancy. So accountancy is the theoretical aspect of doing the accounting work, and whereas accounting deals with the practical aspect of accountancy. Number two, accountancy is the area of knowledge, whereas accounting is the action taken on the basis of knowledge. So accountancy is the knowledge of what to do while performing the accounting function, and accounting is taking all that accountancy knowledge and putting it in practical order to get the work done. Third, accountancy is a broad term and includes accounting.